I have to ask only this side, if you're having a good time, give me a yell! Now this side, if you're having a good time, give me a yell!
Yeah!
Well, that's right, ladies and gentlemen, we are having a fabulous time here in Milan, but also enjoying this show for more than 8,000 subscribers watching live on YourCat.com. So a big thank you to everyone streaming this at home. 8,000 people watching tonight. Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening! A King 1 rules match scheduled for 3 3-minute rounds. And let me first of all introduce to you in the blue corner from Holland, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the ring, Andy Sterling!
Attention, please let us have your attention. You are now about to enter another dimension. So open your mind, push reset, and reboot.
And facing Andy this evening, his opponent in the red corner from Russia. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the ring, Japan!
Я вижу каждый раз во сне родные горы, путь домой, орлов, парящих в вышине, лезгинских гор, храня покой. Я слышу твой призывный глаз, я по тебе мой край грущу, стать камнем, как наступит час, я на земле родной хочу.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final bout of the evening and the